Hey everyone, this is my Pretty Bird Warmer in 3 bars, 13 at 2. Thanks everybody for the fill. Copy the list. Go live. 909. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 909. We have an 8. 909. 13 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, we still have 13 items on the list. Miss Beth Kane is on the top and on the bottom. Randomized 7 times. The dice call for an 8. 9-10, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 9, Miss Beth Kane is the winner. Congrats, Miss Beth, on the 9 spot. 13 items on the list. 8 times. The dice call for an 8. Verified code. And we are done at 9:10. Thanks again, everyone.